My dear friends, now, more than ever, it's so important for us to remember to wash our hands before every meal and after you use the bathroom. In just 5 easy steps, you'll be on your way to clean hands. Wash, lather, scrub, rinse, and dry. I'm getting ready to demonstrate. First, turn on the water. Wash your hands. Don't forget to use some soap. Lather and scrub. You know, there's a special song I like to sing when I scrub my hands. If you know the words, you can sing with me. Top and bottom, top and bottom, in between, and scrub them all together, scrub them all together. Now they're clean, squeaky clean. Rinse out all the soap. Don't forget to dry your hands. Now, we're all done.